Welcome to Second Wind.
Just amazing view.
The wind's coming out of Saskatchewan, heading to Alberta. We're pretty strong. No, it's not December. No, it's not.
That is salt. Going into Alberta.
Woohoo! Province gone. Hi, Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan stole our roof.
Bad winds. Sun was reflecting our shadow. I said to Daryl, "What's that flapping in the wind?" He quickly pulled over. Daryl had to go outside.
Almost got blown off twice. Very hard holding on. There's not much up there other than the ladder with a pair of crappy scissors that we had. Eventually got it all cut off so that we can find a place to park.
Medicine Hat boondocked overnight at Walmart. This is where MJ is. Inside Sterling trailer. Let us use their truck to head into Medicine Hat and poke around. So I'm pretty smoking happy and so much gratitude. Look at our new roof. So exciting. The miracle workers at Sterling Trailers. So happy. MJ's new roof needed time to set, so we stayed in at Medicine Hat one more night. Cuteness wrapped in black fur. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that bell icon and subscribe. See you soon.